Welcome to my channel, folks. We're going to do an update on the garden. But before we get to the garden, we're going to take a look at some pictures that a subscriber named Paul sent in from Australia. And he's doing an awesome job. So let's get to it. This is a well-built, handcrafted NFT system. Up at the top, you can see where the line is coming out of the tote. Splits into two. He has a valve there to control the water. Goes into each channel and then empties out back into the tote. Simple as that, folks. It's just like a water fountain. Gets pumped to the top, trickles down back into the pond. And the best part is, it works like a champ, and look at all the growth. I believe this is a cracky system. This is a passive system, no moving parts. All you do is add your nutrient-filled water in this hole, and I believe this little smaller hole is a weeping hole. And Jiminy Christmas, look at all that growth. That's awesome. This is another cracky system, and oh boy, he's ready to transplant his water spinach into the system. I can't wait to see some update pictures on this. It's gonna be awesome. I believe this is his seed starting station. Paul, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments. Your seed starting station is looking good, brother. Keep up the good work. Now, as far as nutrients, for the people in Australia, I know that Paul was saying that he couldn't get Master Blend in Australia, so I know he uses this stuff right here in his garden. Correct me if I'm wrong, Paul, down in the comments. I think this is for growing microgreens. I could be wrong. I want to thank you again, Paul, for sending in some pictures from Australia. Hoping you can inspire other people to grow food at home. Now let's take a look at my garden. Not much going on, folks. Get inspired to grow your own food by watching another video. Thanks for watching.